This is an Amber Alert. The Pawkesbury Police Department is searching for Gabriel Gunter, a child who was abducted. Gabriel Gunter was last seen in a car with his mother, Nana, on the way to check tornado damage. The suspect, identified as Lauren Matter, took the car and ran off with Gabriel Gunter. Gabriel Gunter is described as male, 9 years old, 48 inches tall, nothing just a underwear and shoes. The suspect, Lauren Matter, is described as female, 54 years old. They were last seen driving a black car, 4 wheels, 100. If you have any information regarding the whereabouts of Gabriel Gunter or Lauren Matter, please contact the Pawkesbury Police Department immediately at 604497661.